Most driveways are at least 10 feet wide, which is half the width of a full-size court, which is okay for what is called skinny singles. But if you have a larger area for cars to turn around in, like we do, you can make a wider court. I purchased a 14-foot net, which gives you more playing area. It's 4 feet wider than a half-size court, but not as wide as a 20-foot full-size court, which is good because singles trying to cover a full-size court is exhausting. The net is easy to set up and take down. The official length of a pickleball court is 44 feet, but I only had room for 40 feet. I did keep the correct size for the kitchen, though. After marking 10 feet from the house, I used that as a reference point to measure and mark the other corners of the court. After cleaning the surface the day before, all I had to do was blow off any remainder debris. My first attempt to make the court was using tape. Since I knew that would not last, I spray painted white circles to permanently mark the corners. Okay, moment of truth. Not bad for painting an uneven surface.